Good morning. Ow, ow. They are biting now when they're hungry, especially. Not fun. Here we go. Hold on. I know. Everybody's hungry. Wow, you're gonna need more. You're extra hungry today. Let me fill your little crop. A little bit more. Okay, I don't want to overdo it. Oh, put it on your little face. There you go. All right, little girl. You're so patient. What a good job. Oh, goodness gracious. See, we are learning to fly. You are rotten. This one's my favorite. I don't think I'm going to be able to get rid of him. He knows he's my favorite too. You're rotten. He's always eating so good. He was probably only about a week and a half old when I pulled him from the nest, so he's been used to a syringe for a really long time. But they are 5 and 6 weeks old now, I think. The oldest one started hatching on Thanksgiving. You've already eaten, girl. You haven't, though. So we are trying to wean them. We're down to 3 feedings a day. You already ate, sir. And offering pellets. They are, the older ones are definitely picking at the pellets, but not the smaller guys. Oh my goodness, you little sassy thing. Get back in there. Oh, we need more. We need more. We need more. This is the baby.